Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a payment method to your TikTok ads. Right, so the first thing we need to do is log into ads.tiktok.com. Make sure that you've signed up or created an account. And here we can go to tools at the top. Now this is in this step, we have not yet gone through the process of creating our account completely. So if you're looking for tools here, you're going to go and tap on tools, and here you are going to look for finance at the bottom. Go ahead and say leave. Let's go over to the next page. Within this page, you'll see on the left hand side you have finance, and under finance you'll have payments, and here you need to enter billing information. So let's go ahead and click on that. Here you can now just go and select your state or province, and let's go ahead, select that one. Let's select submit. You will now see that will reflect on your invoice. So your next step involves adding your payment method. So just go and click on add payment method. And here you will be able to add in all of your details. So you will be charged a small fee when adding this. It will be refunded within a few business days. So you'll select credit card or debit card. If you have additional payment methods in your region, you can select that too. Enter the details such as your card number, expiration date, CVV code, card holder's name. And once you're done, you will click on submit on the bottom right hand side over here. You've now successfully added a payment method to your TikTok ads manager.